Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Little toddler tee. What you got planned for this one?
This is a 2T.
2T.
Miss Aria Jane could wear this.
Too tiny tee.
These are like an oversized tee on AJ.
Yeah.
I want to do like color on one side and gray on the other. What do you think?
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Okay.
A little baby spiral.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
We haven't done one in the toddler sizes like that yet.
We have not, and we're trying to fill out our little toddler line of clothes, so be a good thing to get a good spiral for one of those. Got all sorts of pleats and stuff. Hey,
Hey, go.
what you doing over there?
Can I have your number?
To the dyeing rack.
So we're gonna do like color on one side.
And Miss Gray on the other.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. I want to do maybe a little glacier and dragon fruit,
Glacier and dragon fruit.
and then mist gray on the back.
Sounds good to me.
Because the dragon fruit and the glacier make this beautiful grape purple that I love.
That they do. Wait, didn't we already do one of those though? That's the shirt that went live today. Was the same thing, wasn't it?
I don't know. Alright.
Back in action. Instead of glacier blue, we're gonna go with lemon yellow.
We had to take a grandparent break.
We forgot we had just done glacier blue on the other one. We had plans to do all these like two color with mist gray on the other side, and we couldn't remember which ones we had already done. I thought we had done that one, but I wasn't sure.
Had to take a grandparent break. Somebody gets a little fussy when they have to get in their car seat.
They'll be alright. So all told on this one, we have dragon fruit, lemon yellow, and mist gray. Beautiful trifecta of color. Is that it?
That's it.
Alrighty. To the drying rack. Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.